Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of hitting the open road in the Philippines? Well, you're in luck. Today, I am breaking down the complete step-by-step guide to getting your driver's license in 2025. Whether you're restarting from scratch or upgrading your license, I've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about the types of licenses. If you're 16, you can start with a student permit. This lets you learn to drive as long as you're with a licensed driver. Once you turn 17, you can apply for a non-professional license, which is for driving your own private car or motorcycle. And if you plan to drive for a living, like for a grab car or a delivery truck, you'll need a professional license, and you must be at least 18. So, how do you start? The journey begins with the student permit. You'll need an accomplished application form, your PSA birth certificate, a valid ID, and a medical certificate from an LTO-accredited clinic. The most important new requirement is the Theoretical Driving Course, or TDC certificate. This is a 15-hour course you can take at an LTO center or an accredited driving school. The total cost is just over 300 pesos, and the permit is valid for 1 year. After holding your student permit for at least a month, you're ready for the non-professional license. You'll need your student permit, a new medical certificate, and this time, a practical driving course or PDC certificate. This is an 8-hour hands-on driving course. At the LTO office, you'll submit your documents, pass a written exam, and then ace the practical driving test. After that, it's just biometrics, photo taking, paying the fees of around 750 pesos, and voila, you get your license card. Want to go pro? If you're 18 and have held a non-pro license for at least 6 months, you can upgrade. The process is similar, but you'll also need to submit an NBI or police clearance. The fees are about the same as the non-pro license. A quick tip on the driving courses: you can take the theoretical and practical courses for free at LTO driver education centers, but slots can be limited. Alternatively, paid driving schools offer them for a few thousand pesos, which might be faster. And for renewals, it's now easier. Just get a medical certificate and pass the free Comprehensive Driver's Education or CDE online exam through the LTMS portal. If you have no traffic violations, your renewed license will be valid for 10 years. How cool is that? Don't forget to use the LTO portal for appointments and to track your application. Remember, driving is a privilege, so always be a responsible driver. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful content, and share this with anyone you know who's planning to get their license. Drive safe, everyone.